What is sequence-to-sequence models in LLMs? A sequence-to-sequence model is like a translator. It takes a sequence of information, like a sentence, a list, or steps, as input. Imagine you're a magic translator machine. Someone gives you a sentence in one language, like English. And your job is to convert it into another language, like Spanish. You take the words one by one and create a new sentence in the other language. Sequence-to-sequence models are like this magical machine. They take one sequence of information, like a sentence, and turn it into another sequence, like its translation. These models are used in tasks like translating languages, summarizing stories, or even answering questions. How does it work? Think of it in 2 steps. Step 1. The encoder. This is like a smart listener. It listens to the whole input sentence carefully and tries to understand what it means. Step 2. The decoder. This is like a clever speaker. It takes what the listener understood and creates a new sentence in another language. Let's take a funny example. Think of the encoder as a sponge soaking up water, the sentence. The decoder is like squeezing the sponge, but the water comes out in a new color, the new language or format. So, sequence-to-sequence models are like brainy robots that can listen to something in one form and say it back in another form, super smart and helpful. Keep learning. Thank you for visiting www.codingscientist.com.